Good day, viewers. My name is WayForward. Welcome to my third Fortran tutorial. This is the continuation of the class revision I did at first. So today I have three programs we're gonna work on. The first one is okay. Here is the question. If 80 liters of fuel would convey a vehicle for 250 kilometers. I think we get this. If 80 liters of fuel would convey a vehicle for 250 kilometers. Now, code in C++ to calculate the amount of liters not more than 250 kilometers. So what the question, I don't really get how the question was written in class, but I think I should be able to explain it. The question is if 80 liter can convey a vehicle for 250 kilometers. Now we need to write a C++ program that will calculate the amount of liters that will convey a vehicle for any kilometer not more than 250 kilometers. I believe we get that. We should write a C++ program that will code to calculate the amount of liters not more than 250 kilometers. So if you were traveling less, if you're traveling 50 kilometers, then we should write a C++ program that will calculate the amount of liters required. So I'm cancelling the question, so it's gonna run. So now int, I'm using this as int. Okay, let me use it as double. So int distance, this is what is holding the distance now, and this is how I made my calculation. I need to get the amount, I need to know the amount of liters with coming. Let me use my calculator. That's 250 divided by 80. So this is how I got my 3.125. So 3.125 is the amount of welcome back. So I need to calculate the amount of a kilometer, the amount of a liter. Like okay, let's do something here. 250 divided by 80, that's 3.125. So 3.125 is the distance that will be conveyed with 1 kilometer. So when we multiply 3.125 times 80, we should get 250. So that is how I got my 3.125. So in 1 liter, 1 liter is going to convey a vehicle for 3.125 kilometers. So that's that here. So now the program, any distance imputed will be divided by 3.125 to get the liter. So, and then there's an if statement that comes first here. If the distance is less than or equal to 250, it should perform the calculation, else you are above the range. You know the question specified that each calculation must not be more than 250 kilometers. So let's build and run this program. So what is the distance? Let's try the distance of 250, then we should get 80 liters. Let's run again. Above 250, you can see you are above the range specified. So that is that about this program. And in the next program, this is a C++ program to I'm coming. So what this question is saying is we should write a C++ program to that is the question. So this is how the program works. Enter the battery, cin battery. So battery is the variable name I use to accept the range of the battery. Then cin use is the variable name I used for the amount of time or the rate at which the battery is being used. So if the battery range is above or equal to 400 and the battery is less than or equal to 550 and the usage is equal to 23, then your battery life is for 16 hours. I believe you get this. Same thing applies to this. Else if the battery range is above 290, that is 300, and it is less than or equal to 400 and the use is also 19, then the battery life should last for 13 hours. So that's how it's applicable to all other example. So let's type the battery life. Let's say 345. 345 is between this second range here. So let's type 19 to see the output. Your battery life is for 13 hours. You can see the range is between this and the use is 19. That is why it popped up this. So let's try something different. Let's try this battery range and then 6, invalid battery life and use. So it had to jump to the else statement here. And now to the third program. This is just a simple grading system. Enter your score. So if your score is greater than or equal to 70 and the score is less than or equal to 100, your grade is A. Same thing applies to this, B, C, D, E, and F. So CSE211 is the variable name I used to accept the score. I believe we get that. There's nothing strange in this. Let me run this. Enter your score 56. Your grade is C. This is just a simple program. I believe you all got this. Thank you for watching and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy.